may nervously joke about robots and the rise of the machines, but let's be honest, we can't get enough of them. Love or loathe them, they're always fascinating. Here's Smart Planet's roundup of the best bots of the year. Maybe it's because I have small children and spend my Friday nights sorting socks. But researchers at UC Berkeley developed what I think is a dream machine. A robot that folds laundry, specifically towels and socks. But ultimately, it could do much more.
Task line, doing laundry completely, not just towels, but just pick up the laundry basket, get everything washed, dried, ironed, folded, hung away. Thinking of loading and unloading a dishwasher, thinking of setting a table, maybe cleaning up after a kid has been playing.
Elsewhere on the Cal campus, engineers created an exoskeleton that helped a student who's been wheelchair-bound for 4 years stand up and walk at his graduation ceremony. For all the skeptics who think robots offer no truly useful value, think again. Next, the one robot I'm convinced we'll see in widespread use during my lifetime, Junior. Developed at Stanford University's Automotive Innovation Facility, this autonomous car navigates streets safely thanks in part to video cameras, GPS, and a 360-degree array of lasers.
These are devices which shoot out light into the environment, measure how long it takes to hit something, and then from that can infer how far away the object is.
Further proof that Stanford students are serious about robots and Star Wars, the Jedi Bot. This robot manages to deflect attacks by using a Microsoft Kinect to detect its opponent's moves. Yoda would be proud. Humanoid robots may still look a little eerie when it comes to facial features, but there's no arguing that their movements are becoming more lifelike. This Now robot may soon give you a run for your money on the Stairmaster. Now uses lasers to scan an area, find the edge of the stair, then reposition to successfully climb up the step. It may not be the fastest bot in the West, but it'll probably outlast you and me. And there's something so mesmerizing about the graceful motions of this robot. Gone are the stiff gestures. Acroband's fluid movements are made possible with shock-absorbing dampers and a spine, instead of the rigid box found on most robots.
If you think about natural movement, you think about movement of human being, and humans have a lot of degrees of freedom, a lot of muscles. And this one has some of the essential one in the torso and in the pelvis. So it gives this natural thing.
We can't forget the robots created to do the jobs we won't or can't do, like crawl into buildings that are on the verge of collapsing. These flying robots equipped with cameras and sensors can be sent into disaster zones to survey damage. Similarly, this cockroach-inspired mini-robot built by UC Berkeley scientists could help find survivors after an earthquake.
Our goal is to be able to have a fleet of these robots that you can send into the building to search through the building and find where the survivors are located and tell the rescuers where to go and where to dig.
Next year's crop of robots promises to be faster, more nimble, smarter, and take over more of our dull, dirty, and dangerous tasks. We can hardly wait. For Smart Planet, I'm Sumi Das.